Hello everyone! This is your Mommy Jovita. Greeting you, alam ko late na ito. Late na kasi we were very busy. Especially maraming parties. I wish you belated Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Alam ko ang dami-daming parties na inattend namin. Nandito kami sa Philippines. Ang dami-daming nag-invite sa amin. And then we also held a Christmas party here sa amin. Family lang ha. And then lots of small prizes. Hindi naman yung amount ang kailangan na itingnan sa regalo, but it is the joy, di ba? Kaya I wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a very prosperous New Year. Kung ano yung kinaugalian natin na masama, let's have to change it. Kung ano yung magandang ugali natin, let's have to maintain it. Okay? I love you all. God bless.